What's up, guys? Dr. Thinman back here. I got me a full shop today. Got the bike, got the Fuller in here. As you can see, I have all the plastics off of it. Went to get it out about a month ago and wouldn't start, so I thought it might have been bad gas to replace that. That didn't fix it. Thought that the fuel pump was dirty, so I cleaned it, dried it, all that kind of good stuff. Still didn't work. Thought it was a spark plug, tried that. Thought it was a fuel injector, bought one of them. Wasn't none of that. So at that point I had enough of it, so I went ahead and just took it to my local Yamaha dealership. And apparently it was my fuel pump that was bad. It just wasn't putting out enough PSI, and supposedly, if I got a new one coming in today, should be here in a couple of hours. I'll be putting that thing in and hopefully this thing will start. But while I was waiting, I decided to do a little bit of painting. Got pieces right over here. It's two engine brackets. I painted them, of course, white. And I had this one. It just goes just right across here, and it helps hold those little spots right there. So I'm gonna get them things back on and see how I like it. I'm just using regular spray paint. There's little, what, 98 cent cans. Just trying it out, see how I like the color, and then whenever I get all my paint stuff back out, I think I got some white back in there somewhere with my automotive paint, and I'll paint it like I did this one. Of course, not blue, be white, if I like the color and how it looks. And this one y'all probably already saw. I don't know if y'all seen these or not, but decided to put mirrors on it, blinkers. You may ask why. I just wanted to. That's the only reason. And of course, got them in the back. This one ended up breaking. I think I bumped against it or something, and I broke it. So that I made a new one of these. So I'm still practicing wheelies and all that kind of stuff. And I ain't want to end up just grinding away my old bar, because it's all just aluminum. So found some rollerblade wheels minus the rubber part that's supposed to be on them. Made this. So I just have regular steel. Yeah, I got my little blinker box back down there. I can change how our blinkers blink. But I think that's pretty much everything. Little switches for the blinker, little $15 switch from I think it was Japan, China, whatever. Got me a Vapor. I might have to reset all of it because it all got screwed up. I think that's pretty much caught up. I got lights throughout it. I don't have the ground hooked up, so the lights are not going to work right now. But I got you can see up under here, one of these is the blink is actually for the blinker, because believe it or not, I just had to have one more LED to make the blinkers work right. And the other one is just a white light, just illuminates all this. I got them up under the front, up under the fairing in there. Like I said, I think that pretty much gets everything up to date from what I've been doing. I got a lot more parts I'm gonna end up painting on this thing. So yeah, but I'm gonna get those pieces put back on this thing, and I'll see how they look. Well, I got it put on, and I know it don't look like that much, but it actually doesn't look half bad. I'm liking it. But I did notice up on this stuff, moved out of the way. On this one, when I was putting it on, the paint cracked. I don't know if y'all, yeah, y'all can see where I had to kind of just dab a little paint in there. But overall, it doesn't look half bad. I'm liking it. I think I'm gonna do the handlebars in white also. But of course, I'm just gonna wait until I get everything ready to paint, and I can paint everything at one time. Anyways, just got my new fuel pump in, and the little rubber ring. I'm still, you know what? I'm still surprised that this and that ring together were like $330. This itself, $300 something, and that I think it's like $10, $9, something like that, from motorsports.com. They're all, it's not an aftermarket piece, it's a straight from the factory piece. I checked all the numbers, everything's the same. And as you can see here, it is a Yamaha genuine piece, or Yamaha. Go down in the comments down there and let me know how y'all pronounce it. Is it Yamaha or Yamaha? I've always pronounced it Yamaha, but I don't know. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna get this thing put in. Looks alright. The box it was in, it came by the mail, USPS. Box is beat to Hades and back, so I was kind of worried. So, but anyways, I'm gonna get this thing, get that thing put inside there, and of course put that in too. After that, I'll start her up, or I'll hopefully she'll start up, and hope. Well, I'm just hoping at this point. I've tried everything, and I got about almost $500 in this thing now trying to get it working. Anyways, yeah. Well, I got her in, so let's try her out. I've already tried to start it one time, but I'm not going to spoil it. So here we go. Well, she starts. And now it stinks in here now, so I'll probably have to open my door open, let some of this fumes out. But that was a success. I'm happy about it. But I still got some more things I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna get this thing put all back together and go from there. Well, I got her all put back together. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it for a little ride, a little short one. Hopefully this thing will work like it should now. Well, I just got back from riding and did pretty good. Got a little bit of sand on it, but that'll be fine. Gives it character, right? But anyways, I was just want to make a short little video here. Just a little introduction to this thing. So I don't think y'all have really seen it like this. I got a few ideas for this thing right now, so y'all keep watching and y'all see what I'm doing. If y'all have any ideas of what else I can do, I'm more than happy to hear them. Just go down in the comments and let me know. Like, I'm still looking for an exhaust. I don't want to do a slip-on. I want to go ahead and just do a full exhaust. So if y'all have any recommendations, like I said, go down in the comments, put them in there. The four-wheeler is pretty much all stock, except for the few things I've showed y'all, like the vapor and of course mirrors, whip blinkers. I got lights on it. I got lights in the wheels. I got me some street tires for the front, but I don't like calling these things rims. Some of us don't call them wheels. Like I said, I got some tires out in the trailer out there. They're street tires. The front ones, they really haven't been rode on that much, but the rims were a piece of crap. I tried to get something light and shiny. Dumb idea. Didn't work out. Ended up getting warped and bent. So, and the back's the same way. I got street tires to the back also. If I remember, I'll put a link down in the description of where I got them from and what they are. But I am going to have to get some new wheels. And I have an idea of what kinds I want, but I'm not going to reveal that yet. Gotta get me a... I don't think I'm gonna go ahead and do what do you call it? The intake, to where it's just the filter's just open, because I do want to go off-road with this thing and without tearing my filter up and messing it up. But K&N has one that looks similar to this, and I'm just gonna go with it. I don't know about drilling holes in this thing. Like I said, I am going to be going off-road with it, and don't want to have any issues later on down the road. Unless I just put like a bag over it or something and just leave just that hole open. But anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I want to get y'all's input on what y'all think I should do this. It's a 2014 YFZ 450R. And I'm pretty sure at least one of y'all is going to say, get rid of the orange. You got to get rid of that. But I can't do that. Like I said, just go down there, let me know if you know some other places that I can get stuff for a better price. Great, let me know. But anyways, I've talked enough. Let me know if y'all enjoy seeing stuff like this, and I'll be posting a whole lot more. So if y'all have any like good exhaust systems that work on it, and they'll actually give me some of that extra horsepower instead of just sounding like it has extra horsepower, that'd be great too. And I'm trying to figure out what kind of grab bar, if I want to make my own, because like the 2018 one, I like it because it comes up, follows the body line here, or follows the body. I like it. I'll see about making my own. I have some aluminum. But if y'all have any ideas like what y'all think might look good on this, go down in the comments and let me know. Like engine mods, things like that, cams, all that kind of stuff. Just go down in the description and let me know. I'd appreciate it. But I do have some ideas on what I want to do. But just want to get other people's opinion on it. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna end up, depending on what the how the exhaust comes out, I might end up bringing me some bars out here that I can hang on from the side to pull it. This one's made out of steel, so it is what it is. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to get the Nerf bars for this, or if I want to get something else. I'm not sure yet. But like I said earlier, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more of this, because I want to put out good content. You let me know what y'all want, and I'm gonna try to deliver. Like, share, subscribe if you hadn't already subscribed. Hit that bell notification. Hit that. That'll let me know, or let y'all know when I have something new come up. Heck, I might use y'all's input on something and get it. So anyways, like always, y'all take it easy, and may God bless.